Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 30 common English words you are pronouncing wrong, part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go to my previous video. You should see part 1 there. Okay, let's get started. The first word here is clothes, not clothes. Okay, so let's say it one more time. Clothes. Good job. Number 2, it's island. So the S is silent in this word. So you don't say Island, you say island. Say it with me. Island. That's correct. Good job. Now, this word is not pizza. No, it's pizza. 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 Okay? For this word, you say sweets, not suits. So you say Mavina Hotel and Suites, not and suits. Okay? One more time, sweets. Good job. This word is quinoa. It's not quinoa, it's quinoa. Okay? Let's say it one more time. Quinoa. Good. Now say genre. Genre. It's not genre, no, it's genre. Okay? Let's say it again. Genre. This is mortgage. Mortgage. The T in this word is silent, so you don't say mortgage, it's mortgage. Okay? This is pronounced cash, like you're talking about money. Cash is not cashy or cack. No, it's cash. We say bouquet, bouquet, not bouquet. No, the T is silent, so you say bouquet. For this word, you say colonel. My uncle is a colonel, not colonel. Colonel. Okay? Listen to this. You don't say cupboard. No, you say cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. Not cupboard, cupboard. This word is subtle, not subtle. No, subtle. The B is silent, so you say subtle. Okay? For this word, you say sword, not sword. Sword. Okay? The W is silent, so it's sword. So this word is iron, not iron. No? Iron, iron, iron. Now, this word is pronounced chaos, not chaos or choose. You say chaos. One more time. Chaos. Good job. Which of these correct pronunciations surprised you the most? So please don't forget to like, share with your friend, turn on the notification, and subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.